I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins. All of your street light eyes wide on my plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair and stole me a dog-eared map and called for you everywhere. Now I'm a fat house cat nursing my sore blunt tongue, watching the warm boys and rats go through the white fence cracks. Have I found you?
Dividir um sorriso com sua filha.